Okay, so what we've got today is my dual Limitless and my slave ESC. I've been taking the red power wire out. Well, I got a new harness because I had been plugging it in and unplugging it so I could data log. Well, I'm going to take this old switch from a Castle ESC and wire it in line. That way I can turn it off and on when I want to run or when I need to data log. Should work pretty good, I think. Just a regular on and off switch. So I don't have two ESCs powering the receiver at one time. I can turn it off. Then when I need to data log, turn it back on. I need to run this car more. It's got a lot of potential. Got the servo saver delete from Scorched. Puts your steering servo up on the top deck. Pretty happy with the ultimate drive shafts. They seem to be pretty tough. Pins don't wear out near as easy. You can see that pin. Still in perfect shape. Got those front and rear. Still running the old XLX2s. Thanks for watching.